Tigers, makikita niyo po ang number si Peter Jun Simon.
23 points on 10 of 16 shooting from the field. At dito sa ballgame natin, kala natin it was gonna be a slow one, scoring just 6 points in the first half. Pero ngayon, 17 puntos na binubuhos ni Simon.
Ito, makikita natin dito yung matapang na galaw ni Peter Jun Simon. Getting that contact at ito, pasok yung kanyang tira. Peter Jun Simon taking charge from where usually James Yap takes over.
Ito, lamang ng dalawa ang Welcome Dragons, kanila ball possession. No more timeouts either way at penalty na rin ang magkabilang koponan.
Importante lang dito, may lagay yung bola sa kamay ng kanilang best free throw shooter. Here's the inbound play. Bagyon, nasa corner. At yun na nga, si Bagyon ang tutungo sa ating free throw line. 6.7 seconds remaining.
Remember last time, ito si Bagyon split his charities. He's already got a conference high 11 assists in this ball game, and he's got 5 points.
Froilan Bagyon. The pressure situation. He gets a friendly bounce. You know, si coach, the entire coaching staff of Wellcoat up on their feet.
Reminding everybody, no fouls. Wag dapat mamimigay ng foul.
Alright, so ito, Froilan Bagyon talking to himself, concentrating for his second free throw. At wala na nga po timeout dito ang Pure Foods TJ Giants, mga kaibigan. Here's Froilan Bagyon. Getting ready to shoot his second free throw. It's a miss. Bola mapupunta dito sa Pure Foods. Here's Chico Lanete. He shoots a three. Goal! And that was an open look for Chico Lanete.
0.8 seconds remaining dito.
Mga kaibigan, Wellcoat hanging on for this victory, but not after having to scare their lives dito po sa fighting Pure Foods TJ Hotdog Squad. Kaya nga lang problema, masyadong nabaon ng gusto ang Pure Foods, masyadong malaki ang kanilang hinabol. So ito po Wellcoat Dragons snapping a 5-game losing skid. Panalo po 100-87, but baka meron pa free throws.
Dahil meron pa palang foul right at the buzzer. So Marquis Gaines with a chance to alter this final score, but Wellcoat will pick up win number 4 dito sa ating Fiesta Conference, and that will tie their best ever performance nung last season's Fiesta Conference. Ginawa yung 4 wins na yun.
So ito na lang, final count na lang ang ating inaantay dito as Marquis Gaines makes his first free throw. And that will ice our final score, mga kaibigan. Tuwan-tuwa po itong mga Wellcoat Dragons. Yan po ang ating final score. 102 for the Wellcoat Dragons, 97 for the Pure Foods TJ Giants.